notice. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Where? Tennessee River at Savannah. When? Until further notice. Impacts at 368.0 feet. House lots on the north end of Emerald Lane and Hooker's Bend are beginning to flood. Water is backing into most sloughs. Additional details. At 10:15 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday, the stage was 367.2 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 367.4 feet Thursday evening. Action stage is 365.0 feet. Flood stage is 370.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Henderson, Madison, and McNary. Winter storm warning in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. What? Heavy with snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Where? Portions of North Mississippi, West Tennessee, and East Arkansas. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Additional details. Locally higher snowfall amounts remain possible due to stronger snow bands potentially setting up near the I-40 corridor. If you must travel, keep extra blankets, food, water, and a flashlight in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.